Okay, it's Friday, the 30th of May. This is your weather outlook update for the weekend, and we've got some heavy rain and some possible tornadoes, so we'll have to keep an eye on the weather. Once again, if you go to www.weather/outlook.com, you can look at that, see the radars, see all the other information there, and your local forecast, special videos for each location. If you go there, you can see the forecast, and it's free. It's free right now, so go there, check it out. Now, this is the total amount of rainfall between now and tomorrow, Saturday evening. And as you can see, there's a pretty good swat of rain comes up out of West Virginia, comes up through Chambersburg, then heads up towards York, and then towards Harrisburg, and up through Reading, and then Schuylkill County, and ends up in the Pike County and into New York. Northern New Jersey gets it too. So those areas, no problem seeing an inch and a half to 2.5 inches of rain in that area. On either side of that line, there could be an inch of rain. And then as you get down into South Jersey and Delaware, there could be some heavier storms down there too. But that line that you see coming across there with all the red in it, that's the main area that we need to be concerned with. And again, I know the National Weather Service has put out tornado watch boxes in here, so just be aware of that. Stay tuned to your local channel for that information. We'll start this off about 8 o'clock this evening. Rain moves in. It's actually raining now. We're in my location here in Berks County. There's some heavier rains down here towards DC. Some heavier rains and a nice little line here. That's funny. It showed it yesterday and it's still there today down by the Mason-Dixon line. And if you watch, this thing will all move. And you can see this little area down in here through Delaware and into Jersey by Cape May. This is around 10 o'clock tonight, and this heavier rain right in here is picked up, and it's over by Harrisburg and then heading up pretty much right up 81 right now. And then as we get to the nighttime hours, you can see some of these storms pop up here near Atlantic City. There's some down here, Harrisburg towards Lancaster, and then up here in the Poconos. There's some possible heavy rains in there, and this is where your accumulation happens. Here's 1 o'clock in the morning, and this actually shows it really getting strength, and you can see all these red areas here. That's where you're going to see heavier rains, possibly some thunderstorms. And again, the National Weather Service feels that there's a tornado watch out, so just be aware of that. And as this goes towards the morning hours, now this is 1 a.m. tonight. Now we move this towards 3 a.m. and you can still see northern New Jersey has some areas of heavy rain, still heavy rain through the Poconos, Wyoming Valley, heading down this way towards Lebanon and out this way down south towards York. It's still going on. And then as we move this to about, this is around 7 a.m., you can start to see it pulling away. Still raining pretty good over by Allentown towards Trenton. And then the heaviest stuff is now moved into New York. And then this kind of pulls away this is about 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's pretty much mostly gone up into New York. What's behind is a few showers during the day. And, some of those could turn into an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon, as this map shows a couple of spots here, Jersey and into Pennsylvania, and then as we get later in the afternoon, you can see they become a little bit more numerous down here in Delaware, South Jersey, even down here towards Lancaster. You can see they become a little bit more numerous, and then all that kind of pulls out, and then that leaves us with this is Sunday morning here right around 7 a.m. Maybe a shower up here in Wayne County, and then that kind of moves away. And Sunday isn't all that bad. There will be a few sprinkles in the afternoon, but your reward for Sunday would be temperatures that aren't really, really all that bad. Where the clouds hang in the afternoon, especially in the north, temperatures are in the upper 50s. But elsewhere, we're talking about lower to mid, maybe even some upper 60s down towards the southeast here and to Jersey and Delaware. So all not that bad. I know I talked about a possible I-95 where temperatures will be 85 to 90. Right now, it doesn't quite look that way. Temperatures may get into the lower 80s, but nothing near 90 degrees like it showed prior to that towards the end of next week. But we're getting close to summer. Just gotta hang in there. All right, everybody, be safe and take care out there.